Hello artists, so this is video 1 for realistic painting, and this is how to do the base layer. Before we get started, you need to have a Google Doc full of images that you can use to paint from. When you're painting, you'll want to see all the shadows and highlights and details within your images before you start to paint. I'm going to be painting this leaf above the 3 raspberries. Notice on the left side of the leaf that it's highlighted, and then there's a shadow in the middle. Take your palette and put water in the pigments that you want to use. You'll want to put a little bit of a puddle in each of the pigments so that you can mix the colors on your table. Since most of the leaf is a lighter color, I'm going to cover the leaf very quickly with a light base, and then I will go in and add a few shadows. Now these shadows are not super dark, it's just starting to build up the first layer. I use a small brush on the edge of the leaf so that I'm very careful with my edges, and a larger brush for the center to cover more quickly. Since this leaf is under the 2 raspberries, I am starting with a darker tone because it is a darker leaf. Again, I'm always looking at my Google Doc of my pictures, and I'm looking at this leaf, making sure that I have highlights where highlights go and shadows where the shadows are supposed to be. Before painting your second leaf, you want to make sure the one next to it is dry. So you'll want to use a hair blow dryer so that the colors do not blend together. To make a shadow color, you'll want to make that color darker. To do that, you're going to mix that color's complement. So the complement of green is red. So all I did was mix a little bit of red with the green to get this darker tone. To make lighter tones, you'll just add more water, or you can add some of the white.